Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're spotlighting the brand new Samsung Galaxy A26 5G on Straight Talk. We'll cover its price, features, and whether it's worth picking up. Let's dive in. As Section 1, Pricing and Availability. The Galaxy A26 5G on Straight Talk is priced at $199.99. Very attractive for a 5G-capable Samsung with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. As of the upload of the video, it's currently listed as out of stock, but Straight Talk does offer a Notify Me option, so you can be alerted as soon as it's back. At just under $200, it's one of the most affordable Samsung 5G phones you can get outright. No contract, no hassle. Section 2. Key specs and features. Display. A vibrant 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Processor. It runs on the Exynos 1380 octa-core chip, paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD. Battery. A large 5,000 mAh battery with support for 25-watt fast charging. Cameras. A triple lens setup. 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization. 8-megapixel ultra-wide. 2-megapixel macro. Plus a 13-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies. Durability. IP67 water and dust resistance, plus Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Rarely seen at this price. Software support. 6 years of Android OS and security updates. Unmatched for a budget phone. In short, you're getting premium-feeling features, like that gorgeous AMOLED screen, strong battery life, and a reliable camera setup. All at a seriously budget-friendly price. Section 3. What sets it apart? Samsung Perks. Built-in Circle to search, Samsung Wallet, Samsung TV Plus, and even 3 months of Peacock Premium included. Security and updates. Samsung's promise of 6 years of Android and security updates is practically unheard of in phones under $300. Design and durability. Slim, lightweight and durable with an IP67 rating and reinforced glass. It just feels like more than a budget phone. Those long-term updates mean peace of mind. You're not stuck with an outdated device in just a year or two. Section 4. Pros and cons. Pros. Affordable at $199.99 with 5G support. Bright, smooth, 120Hz AMOLED display. Reliable 50-megapixel main camera with OIS. 6 years of promised software support. Durable build with IP67 rating and Gorilla Glass cons. The Exynos chip is fine for daily use but not made for gaming. The 2-megapixel macro lens is more of a filler. 25-watt charging is decent, but not ultra-fast. Section 5. Who it's for. Ideal for budget-conscious users who want a Samsung experience without breaking the bank. Perfect for students, first-time smartphone buyers, or gift givers. Not for power users or gamers who want flagship-level performance. Outro. If you want long-lasting software support, great design, and solid 5G performance, all for under $200, the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G on Straight Talk is a fantastic option. Just be sure to sign up for restock alerts if it's currently unavailable. Thanks for watching the video. Tap the like button if this video helped you out. Leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more budget smartphone breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.